So now you've got your t-shirts printed, but there's still one step left, and that's the cleanup. Cleanup is a necessary part of any screen printing operation. The cleanup steps are: scrape the excess ink off the screen and squeegee, wipe down the screen and squeegee, remove the tape and corner dams, and if you'll be removing the image, you'll also remove the stencil, remove the image haze, and dry the screen. To do this, you'll need a spatula, paper towels, screen cleaner, and if you'll be removing the image, you'll also need a washout area, high-pressure water hose, scrub brush, degreaser, stencil remover, and haze remover. Start out by removing the tape that you put over the registration marks. Cleaning up doesn't have to be messy. Since the plastisol inks don't air dry, you can scrape them off the screen and squeegee to use later. After you've scraped off as much ink as possible, wipe the screen and squeegee down with screen wash and remove the rest of the ink. Clean both sides of the screen. To get the last of the ink off the screens, spray a little screen opener on them and wipe them down again. Be sure to do a thorough job so that the screens and squeegees will be in perfect condition next time you want to use them. Once you've cleaned the screens, remove the tape and corner dams. The split tape is easy to remove and comes off cleanly. Peel off the palette mask and wipe down the shirt boards. Once you've finished cleaning the screens, you can store them to print the same design later, or you can reclaim them. Reclaiming a screen removes all of the stencil. Then you can recoat the screen with emulsion and use it over again with a new design. Some of the chemicals used to reclaim screens can damage your eyes and be hard on your skin. Be sure to wear heavy rubber gloves and goggles for this part. To reclaim a screen, first moisten it with water, then spray on the degreaser, and scrub both sides of the stencil. Next, spray on some stencil remover and scrub it in both sides. Using a high-pressure spray, most of the stencil will come right off. may need to put on a little more stencil remover to get rid of the last bits. When the stencil is completely washed off, set the frame on a corner to drip dry. If there is an image or haze on the screen, spray haze remover on these areas and scrub it in. This will dissolve the last of the ink so that you can remove it with water spray. The haze remover is hard on the screen, so don't use it more than you have to. Set the reclaimed screen on a corner to drip dry. Your screen is now ready to be recoated with emulsion for a new design. Finally, give the wash-up booth a good wipe down.